Hello guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks, and today I'm going to look at the JBL Charge 5 and I'm going to see if I can make it any louder. So I'm going to open the speaker and fill it with speaker foam and see if that's going to make any difference. Technically it should make it sound bigger and bassier, but that's just a theory, so let's open it up, let's fill it with speaker foam and let's do some testing and see if that is actually true. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to open the drive here and each side from the speaker. I've already filled it in, so I'm going to show you how it should look like inside. Right, so that's what the foam should look like. It's just this material, and what I did, I spread it from here and I also opened this passive radiator. You have to pry it open. There are a few clips in here. I'm just going to remove the foam so you can see how I did it. So there was one part here and there is one part behind this. So I've already removed the protective rubber, which is held by clips around here. So you just have to pry it open slowly, gently, and then remove the first part. Then you'll notice that you've got 4 screws holding the passive radiator, so let's just open that. Okay, so this is the other part of the foam piece that I fed inside. Alright, so let's run a few tests with the foam in, and then I'm going to remove the foam and I'm going to measure it again, and then I'm going to compare them both. So please stick around so you can see the results. So I'm just going to carefully put the speaker back in place exactly where it was. I've marked it with some sticky blue tape, if you can see it there. Alright guys, so after doing the tests and looking at the graphs and listening to the speakers, I'm going to tell you my opinion. So when I filled the speaker with the foam, the speaker became slightly louder, either at mid volume or a maximum volume. It was a decibel or two louder. You may know already or may not know that 1 decibel is a lot of sound. It's basically every time you go by 1 decibel, the volume doubles by 2. If you don't believe me, you can Google it. The other thing I've noticed is when I measured the speaker between 60 and 100 Hertz, there wasn't much difference in the sound. At certain frequencies, they were both either equal or better. So my conclusion is, if you want your speaker to sound a little bit louder, then yeah, please go ahead and try it. And my advice to the guys who don't want to mess about with the speaker is keep it as it is. It sounds great as it is. You don't need to change anything. Just enjoy your speaker. It is absolutely great. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hoped it helped a little bit and at least give you some idea whether you need to do it or not. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye.